Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the coolest products that you didn't even know you needed. Today, we're talking about something every welder, blue-collar worker, or anyone who loves a good laugh should get their hands on: the best world's Okayest Welder sticker. Whether you're decking out your hard hat, toolbox, or just looking for that perfect gag gift, this sticker is sure to bring some personality to your work gear. This sticker comes in a pack of 3, so you can share the fun with friends, coworkers, or keep a couple for yourself. Each sticker measures 3 inches and features a bold, simple design that proudly declares, "World's Okayest Welder." It's perfect for anyone who knows the struggle and humor behind the welding profession, or any tough blue-collar job. Where a little self-deprecating humor goes a long way. Made from high-quality vinyl, this sticker is built to last. It's waterproof and durable, which means it's ready for tough environments, from welding sparks to rain and snow. You can stick it on your hard hat, your toolbox, or even your water bottle. Basically anywhere you need a little humor to get through the day. It's also a great gift idea for anyone working in trades like electricians, pipe fitters, or even HVAC workers. Honestly, it's the kind of gift you give when you want to make someone smile without saying a word. Now, if you're someone who takes their work seriously but doesn't mind a good laugh at the end of the day, this sticker will be a conversation starter. Imagine the laughs when a coworker sees your hard hat and gets a kick out of the fact that you're rocking the "World's Okayest Welder" title with pride. So, if you're ready to add a little humor to your workday, or if you're looking for that perfect gift that balances functionality with fun, the World's Okayest Welder sticker is just what you need. Head over to Amazon and grab your pack today. Trust me, it's a small price for a big laugh. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another product breakdown here on Product Critique. See you next time.